Hey guys, Jennifer here from Jennifer Lynn Interior Design, and today we're here in Jupiter, Florida, taking a look at our new Sea Breeze Cottage renovation project. Let's check it out. Step one in our renovation process is the demo phase, which you can see we've already started here. So we've already started to take out this wall that will completely be coming out. We've exposed all of the plumbing and the HVAC, and we are also going to be taking out this wall as well. So this wall will be coming out, and then we're expanding the kitchen all the way to here, adding a free floating island here, and really opening up the space and giving our client a bigger kitchen. A lot of times in renovations, there's a lot of unknown and unexpected things that can happen when you start to demo the existing space. We're going to keep this soffit because we have to. So we have to work around all of the HVAC that is going on in this area. And we're going to make this an architectural detail by widening the soffit. Also, when we demoed, we uncovered this post that is a structural element and it cannot be removed or replaced. So we're keeping it, but we're also going to make this a part of the architectural detail. So this is the powder room, and this powder room actually needs to function as a powder room for our clients' guests and also a functional laundry area. Welcome to the master suite. As you can see, we've really stripped everything down, including all of the case molding and baseboard trim. We're going to be updating this space by updating the lighting and then adding new base molding. And also, as you can see, we've skimmed all of the ceilings of the popcorn. This is the master bathroom. Previously, there were 2 sinks, and we're actually converting it to 1 to give more counter space. Also, the lighting we're updating. So before there was a light fixture on top of the mirror, we're getting rid of that and adding 2 sconces and a very pretty framed mirror. Also in the shower area, we're taking out the bathtub and converting it into a shower. We're in the guest bathroom, and this is a great example of the unknowns when you're renovating. So previously, there was a vanity here, so we didn't know what was under it. When we took that vanity out, we realized that the staircase is actually running under the vanity at an angle. Not to fear, we have a plan in place to really make this vanity special. We're doing some open storage, also a vessel sink with a really cool black faucet. Thanks so much for watching part 1 of our Sea Breeze Cottage renovation. If you'd like to follow along for part 2, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time. Good morning. I am at Seabrook Place, a new project that we're just getting ready to start, and I am giving you all a sneak peek at what's to come. The peninsula will be taken out, and we'll be adding a real island. She decided we're gonna take this space and make it her own.